Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to VPS using Azure VPN Gateway for SSH easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect to your VPS using Azure VPN Gateway for SSH, you first need to set up a virtual network in Azure. Log in to your Azure portal. On the left-hand menu, click on Create a Resource. In the search bar, type Virtual Network and select it. Click on Create to start configuring your virtual network. Fill in the required details like subscription, resource group, and name for your virtual network. Choose a region that is closest to your VPS for optimal performance. Configure the address space under IP addresses with a subnet range that fits your needs. Review your settings and click on Create to provision the virtual network. Next, search for VPN Gateway in the Azure portal and select it. Click on Create to set up your VPN Gateway. Select the correct subscription and resource group, then provide a name for your gateway. Choose the VPN type as route-based and select the SKU based on your requirements. For the virtual network, select the one you just created. Next, configure the public IP address settings. Choose Create New and name your public IP address. Finish the configuration and click on Create to provision the VPN gateway. Once your VPN gateway is deployed, navigate to the Gateways page in the Azure portal. Click on Point-to-Site Configuration on the left menu. Enable Point-to-Site VPN and configure the address pool. This address pool will assign virtual IPs to VPN clients. Select the tunnel type as IKEv2 and OpenVPN. Configure the authentication type according to your choice, either Azure Certificate or Radius. Click on Save to apply your point-to-site configuration. After saving, download the VPN client configuration package. Extract the downloaded files to a local directory on your machine. Install the VPN client for your operating system. Once installed, import the configuration package you just extracted. Open the VPN client and connect to the VPN using your credentials. While connected to the VPN, you can now SSH into your VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.